welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys an exciting video I am super excited to do, and I hope you guys are super excited to watch. But if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and subscribe, put your notifications on so you can become part of my notification squad. As well, become part of my amazing family we have here on YouTube. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I'm super excited. So I look a little bit weird. I don't have any makeup on besides foundation, concealer, a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of highlight, and that's it. And today I have an exciting video. So we have here the amazing Storybook Burn Book makeup palette. I can't even speak. I'm beyond words, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the box. This is the box. It retailed all together with shipping $62 for this palette plus shipping. I believe the palette was $44. $54. So I'm so excited to show you guys this. So we're gonna dig right in, and yeah, we're gonna play with this palette. I'm like so excited, you guys. My sister sent me this. I saw Jeffree Star review it like a while back, and I was like, oh my god, this palette is so cute. I looked at it and I searched for it and I couldn't find it. My sister sent me the direct link to the website because I didn't know it was Storybook website. I thought this was like just a regular palette from like a store, the store in the mall. What is the store called? I don't know, but they sell like the cartoon palette that just came out, the Nickelodeon palette. They sold the Little Pony palette. So I thought that was just one of those palettes. So when she sent me the link, I was like, oh my god. I was like, it's expensive, but we're gonna try. Like, I'm so excited. I can't believe I have this palette like to play with and show you guys this palette. I'm like so surprised. So we're gonna go into this palette and we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so I'm like so excited. I got my face razor, the one I don't use anymore obviously. And I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. And it's just this little thing right here. Ooh, it's open, look, like this. So yeah, lovely. Okay you guys, this is gonna be my first reaction on this, so I really want you guys to see like first as well with me. So it's a regular box. And the packaging looks like this. Super excited already. So the packaging is super cute in the inside. You guys can see it's like the Storybook logo. And then we open it and it comes wrapped up, and then more of the plastic protective stuff, this stuff that we like to pop. And then it comes like this. This is bien y así, chicas. Another one of these things to obviously protect the palette. I'm like so excited, you guys don't even understand. Yeah, come on, I don't have any scissors right now. This is why these come in handy, look. Oh my god. Look how pretty it is! Oh my god, it's like not heavy, but it's thick. Look how pretty it is! So you open it, la abrimos así. It's so gorgeous! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my god, I am so excited. I can tell you guys right now, I'm excited because this was my shit. This movie was everything. Oh my god, I was in middle school. I wanted to be a white girl with blonde hair. Oh my god, this is so exciting! Like, this is so fetch. Like, it doesn't say that, but it says stab, eat me. It says mean, stab, me. Oh my god, Bible. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the palette. I'm so happy to have, like, you guys don't even know. But yeah, I'm super excited. Like, I'm so excited for this damn palette. Like, oh my god, you guys, like, the packaging is super cute. This could be used like a makeup bag or also like a brush bag. Like, that's so cute. Like, this is so gonna go like on my little vanity where I display my makeup. I'm like so happy. Like, you guys don't understand. You guys do not understand. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the palette. Like, this movie was my shit. So obviously it has the protector. And I'm gonna read to you guys what the protector says in the back. It says, once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales. And they all lived happily ever after. Storybook Cosmetics. Is butter a carve? Gruel, Glen Coco, So Fetch, Wednesday, She Doesn't Even Go Here, The Plastics, Regina George, Mouse, Duh, You Can't Sit With Us, Cool Mom, October 3rd. Alright, so then it just says the products: Burn Book Eyeshadow Palette, made in the USA, by Storybook Cosmetics, Omaheim, and then Storybook Mean Girls. Oh my god, okay. So it says it is made in the USA. Oh my god, you guys freaking ready? It says, once upon a time there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. Mean Girls. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Strong material. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, you guys, I want to get one of you guys. If you guys give this video like, let's say 50 thumbs up, I will, sorry, I scratched myself and I stay red. I will give one of these away. Come on, 50 thumbs up, we can do this. Share, like this video, tell everybody to like this video. We will do this. I will give you guys away one of these palettes. Look how beautiful it is. Like, if I'm getting this hyped, you guys are gonna get hyped. So y'all are gonna see this for the first time with me. You're gonna be hyped with me. You're probably gonna see it like first before me. So it's so weird to have this in my hands. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. I am so excited. Look, it comes with a full-size mirror right here. And then we have these colors, which is 12 eyeshadow colors in this palette. Are you guys excited? Because I'm excited. So it is Butter a Carve, Cruel, Glen Coco, So Fetch, Wednesday, She Doesn't Even Go Here, The Plastics, Regina George, Mouse, Duh, You Can't Sit With Us, Cool Mom, October 3rd. So those are the colors we have on this palette. And oh my god, you guys, it's so freaking beautiful. Like, oh my god, this palette is literally life. It's so freaking pretty. Look. You guys, so I did put you guys a little bit closer because I want to do hand swatches for you guys. I wanted to do the whole little thing on here, but I was like, no, we'll just do the freaking hand swatches. So I am gonna be going into Is Butter a Carve. So then we're gonna go into Gruel. Gruel. Then we're gonna go into So Fetch. And then we're gonna go into Wednesday. Wednesday we wear pink. Wednesdays we wear pink. So that's Wednesday. It looks super pretty. And then we're gonna go into She Doesn't Even Go Here. Guys, that's like one swatch. The Plastics, which is a white color. Look at that, that's like super white. And I'll go right here. Pigmented. We're gonna go into Regina George. This color like perfect for Regina George because she was always like so natural. And ooh, the reflex in this, girl. It's right here. Like a mouse, a duh. That's the mouse, duh. A little gray color. Just a pretty peachy color, which probably won't even be able to be seen on the skin. Then we have Cool Mom. That's cool, Mom. And then we have October 3rd. Ooh. Ooh, that is so pretty. October 3rd, let's pop in. Oh, that's so freaking pretty. Look, I'll probably have to do like 3 different looks. So these are all the colors to the video. Let's see what brush do I want to start with. So the first color I'm going to grab is a peachy toned color, and this is called You Can't Sit With Us. Go ahead and put this on my crease, and I like putting it above my crease because I have a lot of lid space, so above my crease it is. So on top of this one with the Morphe M502, I'm going to go into So Fetch, which is the orange color. How much pigment I picked up. Look at that. Out. Now I'm going to go into another brush, and we're going to go into Wednesday. And Wednesday I'm just going to try to focus it like right here. Oh, it's pigmented. Baby. With So Fetch, the brush I used for So Fetch, but it seemed like my brush. I'm going to be applying it up here just to blend this. Not too harsh. Grab a little bit more. Looking like a sherbet ice cream right now. So with the smaller brush, which I'm just gonna grab now. I'm gonna grab this Jessup brush. It's super small compared to your regular blending brush, and I'm gonna go into. Oh, let me show you guys the fallout on there. I wasn't blow it off. You see, it's just this color right here. And I'm gonna, there's like a lot, not a lot of tap out on this one. I'm just gonna put this one right here. Let's grab as many colors as we can as possible to show you guys all the colors. So October 3rd is this black, and I'm only gonna go in there once because scares me, like it's so pigmented. And we're just gonna apply this one right here, and then we're just gonna be outlining the outside of this. That was so rude. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing, guys. We just talk about how beautiful this palette is, like these eyeshadows. I'm just gonna go into Wednesday a little bit just to deepen this up right here. I love the pink. Like my eye is looking so smoky. It's like so freaking pretty. I'm going into she doesn't even go here and just putting it right here. So on here, I'm gonna go into We're gonna go into this one, right? This one. We're just gonna wing it. So I'm going to, is butter or carve? Like dirtying the palette. George with the opposite side of the brush, and we're gonna go into right here. And that's gonna make this matte. So I do want to just blend this a little bit. And the brush with whatever product is on there, just blend this out. Like the mascara on and all that, it'll look good. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Alright guys, so that concludes our video for today. I was so excited to receive this palette. You guys don't even know. I am obsessed with the makeup look I created, and I think it looks super cute. It's like dramatic and stuff, but it's like so pretty. And I honestly love the way it looks. Like, guys, come on. It looks so cute. So I am overly obsessed with this palette. I think it's awesome, and I'm a big fan of Mean Girls. So I think it's so pretty, and it's a great idea that Storybook decided to come out with these books. I will for sure be shopping on their website more often now. They sell brushes and other stuff. So if you guys are interested, obviously go check them out. I was so excited to like try this palette out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, give me a thumbs up. If you guys came across this channel because of this video, don't forget to subscribe and become part of my family. Let's get this video up to 50 likes or more, and I will be giving away this palette for you guys. Well, a new one, not this one, obviously. But yeah. Just to show you guys my support, I do have a giveaway open, and it is this giveaway right now. And this is the video I will be announcing the giveaway. So all you have to do is be subscribed, like this video, and comment down below what you liked about this palette, what was your favorite color. And the prize you guys could be winning is this prize right here. So I know it's not a lot, but it's something, and it's me showing you guys my appreciation towards you guys. Thank you for sticking by me through all the times, all these videos, all these absences. I love you guys so much, and this video will be done in, this giveaway will be closed in 2 weeks. So tell me guys, just remember, like this video, be subscribed, turn on your post notifications, and tell me what was your favorite color or thing about this palette. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and yeah, bye.